Exercise 127. The chairman, in the course of his speech, said that to seek the preservation of the concern when the profits were so unsubstantial and so disproportionate to the amount invested, and when the price of the stock was so depreciated, was absurd, and it was inadvisable to carry on the company, full stop, new paragraph. The advertisements in the paper are out of all proportion to the news, which is very deficient, and we marvel at the prosperity of the publication and the confidence of the publishers, full stop. It has often subscribed substantial amounts to public funds, opened its columns for national subscriptions and given distinguished services to the cause of charity, full stop, new paragraph. The performer who performed at the theater is a Russian, and his artistic performance of the play brought out all the peculiarities of the Slav race, although there was a disproportion in his acting which would render a long engagement impracticable, full stop.